Imagine, the world has stopped. Logistics are dead. There's no electricity. Your canned food will swell in 2 years. Your frozen supplies will turn into mush in 2 days. But you have this. This isn't just food. This is pemmican. It's 50 years old. And it tastes the same as the day it was made. Arctic explorers have found century-old stores of it and they were still edible. Today I'll show you how to create an eternal battery for the human body. A technology we almost lost, and one that will become more valuable than gold when the system fails. At the end of the video, I'll test a sample that survived 3 moves in 10 years in a garage. Will I risk my health? You'll see. Pemmican wasn't invented by scientists in NASA laboratories. It was created by the Native Americans of North America. Why? Because winter on the prairies is a death sentence if you don't know how to preserve energy. Pemmican is the maximum density of calories in the minimum volume. 1 pound of pemmican, 450 g, equals 4 pounds of fresh meat. It's literally compressed life. Fur companies of the 18th century fought for it. Literally. The Pemmican War of 1816 was fought not for gold, but for the right to possess this resource. Without it, expeditions into the interior of the continent were impossible. But if it's so great, why isn't pemmican on store shelves? The answer will make you angry, and it's directly connected to why modern food makes us weak. The secret of pemmican is in the holy trinity of survival: dried meat, rendered fat, and sour berries. Bacteria need moisture. We remove it 100%. The meat is dried until it's like a splinter. We don't use just any fat, but tallow, rendered kidney fat. It's pure saturated fat. It coats every microparticle of meat, creating a sealed capsule. Oxygen can't get in. Oxidation is impossible. Sour berries, cranberries, blueberries add vitamin C and antioxidants. This protects against scurvy. There are no carbohydrates in pemmican that cause insulin spikes. It's the perfect fuel for ketosis. You can walk 40 kilometers a day eating a piece the size of an iPhone. But there's one mistake when rendering fat that will turn your superfood into poison within a week. Most survivalists on YouTube make exactly this mistake. I'll show you how it should be done. Look at the texture. It should look like dark chocolate with flecks of stone. If you see liquid, you've lost. If you smell dampness, you made a mistake during drying. The moment of truth. 10 years. No refrigerators. Just vacuum sealing, or even just waxed paper. This isn't restaurant food. This is the taste of pure energy. A bit fatty, very filling, slightly tart. But the main thing, I feel full after 5 minutes. My brain gets the signal, we are safe. Hunger canceled. In 2026, relying on food delivery is a kamikaze strategy. Pemmican is your insurance policy that requires no monthly payments. If this fact made you think about your food security, give the video a like. It helps the algorithms promote videos that could actually save someone's life. Subscribe to the channel, here we reveal forgotten technologies of self-reliance every week. See you in the next video, if the internet is still working.